Hello friends, now I will discuss page number 43 from Junior English book 4, and the topic we will do, that is using the right pronoun. We know pronoun is a word which stands instead of a noun. Here same in the box it's written, mistakes are often made in the use of the pronouns I and me, which is correct. Dad and me are going to the football match, or Dad and I are going to the football match. Make two sentences. Dad is going to the football match. I am going to the football match. So, me am going to the football match would be wrong. So, the correct sentence is Dad and I are going to the football match, which is correct. Uncle George sent a ticket for Dad and me, or Uncle George sent a ticket for Dad and I. Make two sentences. Uncle George sent a ticket for Dad. Uncle George sent a ticket for me. So we have got the answer. Uncle George sent a ticket for I would be wrong. So the correct sentence is Uncle George sent a ticket for Dad and me. After the word between, always use the pronoun me. Examples: between you and I, he can't afford a new car. That is wrong. It will be between you and me, he can't afford a new car. This is right. So there is one exercise. Insert I or me to complete each sentence. This is so easy. One number. Pavana and Dash have won prize in the drawing competition. What will be here? Here will be Pavana and I have won prizes in the drawing competition. 2 number, prizes have been awarded to Pavana and whom? Pavana and me. 3 number, Beth and Dash have been invited to Amy's party. It will be, of course, Beth and I have been invited to Amy's party. 4 number, Amy has invited Beth and me to her party. So here we will let me. This is a secret between you and whom? This is a secret between you and me. Now, 6 number, you and Dash must keep this matter secret. You and I must keep this matter secret. 7 number, the headmaster punished Ossie and Dash for being so late. It will be the headmaster punished Ossie and whom? Ossie and me for being so late. 8 number, Ossie and Dash were punished by the headmaster for being so late. What it will be? It will be Ossie and I were punished by the headmaster for being so late. Now, this is 9 number. Leroy and Dash are to share the sweets between us. It will be Leroy and I are to share the sweets between us. 10 number. These sweets are to be shared between Leroy and me. These are so easy. We have done today another page from Junior English book 4, and the page number is 43, and the topic is using the right pronoun. Next day we will do page number 44, and there we will find another topic, that is alphabetical order. Bye for today.